test drive the 2018 CLA. The CLA comes with impressive handling, excellence, and luxury interiors. It has amazingly sleek lines, which also reduces the coefficient drag to minimal and making it very aerodynamic, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist, power sunroof. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.